welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create an amazing charcoal sketch and I'm still learning and improving my skills, but I hope you will enjoy this process and you can also try it out yourself. It's very easy. I will explain step by step. So let's get started. These are the materials that I used: charcoal pencil, makeup brush, blending stump for blending, and the sandpaper for making charcoal powder. First, I drew outline using charcoal pencil and shading the background with soft makeup brush. Shade the eye with the blending stump. For finer details, I use a little bit of more charcoal powder, but not too much, otherwise it will be hard to erase. Then make upper eyelashes with the pencil. These are usually more thick than the lower eyelashes. Inner eye is never pure white, so shade little bit there. Moving to the forehead. If you get extra charcoal like I got here, you can dab it at the hair section because this will always be darker, so it will not ruin. Before shading cheeks, outline nose and lips, otherwise they will be lost. Looks like my pencil wanted some attention. First, drawing the darker shades using the blending stumps, then with the makeup brush. Lower part of the nose has a darker shadow which will give this 3D look. Moving to lips, I add base layer with blending stump and darker value with the makeup brush. Lower outline of the lips will be darker to create a shadow effect. And darkness between the lips will be by charcoal pencil. Finer highlights like cracks with eraser. Tips for creating 3D effect is more layering. And as face is looking bland, we will do more layers like adding charcoal toward the jawline and cheekbones, chin, lower side of the lips. Oh, I almost forgot to make eyebrows. First add strand with pencil, then shade with the brush. As he does not have any beard, but there will be tiny spots. So adding that with the pencil and shading a little bit. Guys, also subscribe to my channel. Adding tiny beauty marks. I know most people draw hair stands individually, but I am lazy and I don't like that. So first I cover the whole portion with charcoal stick and blend it. Then add those strands with eraser. Not the most effective way, I know, but saves me a lot of time. And hair aren't supposed to flow like in the picture, they flow naturally. It doesn't have to be exact. And this is my final version. If you like the process, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.